going to talk about the tool we've created to help you start finding a niche for your MVP or landing page. Here we're going to specifically look at the MVP, and this is the tool. This tool is designed to search for pain points. I had a friend the other day that contacted me about bow hunting deer, and he was wondering how um, it was trending. Spell it right. So initially what I do is this is a standard Google search, bow hunting deer, type it in, you saw autocomplete. And I start with Google Trends. It's going to open a separate platform on bow hunting deer. Now the trend doesn't look all that great. In fact, it's kind of cyclical. It's almost November now, October 13th, and you can see it's almost flat here in between. So not a great topic. So I might start cutting this back, cutting some of the words back, and it really doesn't look any better. But maybe there's a breakout trend, and those are usually held down here. Um, we've got pistols, range hunters, big game, public lanes. So this might be interesting. So I'll do a comparison, um, and that will show me there's a pretty good cycle up in a long period of time for rangefinders. So I will go back to my friend and tell him that I'll copy this, shut this down. I'll come back and clear and paste in rangefinders, and it had a lot better search volume, 84K in a month. And I'll come back to Facebook, Reddit, and I now want to look for pain points. I want to find what people are actually saying in comments. And I'm going to select them all just to make it easy, and they'll all appear here so you can customize and change or add to as you want. Um, and I'm going to choose search. And my results come in here below. I got Facebook to Reddit, but if you'll notice, a lot of the Reddit subreddits are golf, 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 golf. You're way off topic of what I want. So all you got to do is come in, refine it some more, just like Google, do another search. And and there you go. You've got people talking about hunting, which is exactly what I want, and rangefinder topics, and carefully look. I've got it sorted instantly by most commented, most likes or interactions, and bow hunting, exactly what I'm looking for. Archery hunting on Facebook, quite a few comments there. Here's one, golf related, don't want that. I'm going to go down through just picking and choosing some of these high uh, engagement Reddit threads. So I've got 7 selected. I'm going to now, this button here appeared, and I'm going to choose generate report. And I'm looking to generate MVP. I want a prompt to give to Replit to generate a tool. It's quicker than going through all the Reddit feeds and links and comments. It's doing that work for us. And, and the more you can choose on your list, the more Reddit threads you can pick, Facebook, high engagement, the better off you be. And this is a fairly nice report. I mean, there's a lot of topics here that you could use to blog on or create PDFs. And you've got user quotes. And here's the magic. Here's the prompt. So I'll come in and I'll come all the way down and copy. So that's all now in my clipboard. And I'll go to replit.com. I already have an account. I've used it. I'll come in, prompt, and click paste. And it's pasted in and start chat. And this will whirl and twirl up, and you'll see it start building a beautiful, beautiful web page. MVP, vibe coded, based on those pain points, based on the rangefinder content. And you could use the report. I mean, if you wanted to use just the report part of the MVP, you could use that to build, YouTube video shorts and drive traffic to any of your socials. All right, well, 4 minutes into the build, it's asking me some questions. If I want to make this a educational website, um, that's kind of the road it's going to go down. I'm going to say, sure, start now. So here it is. Here is your MVP completely built. I think it took about 6 minutes, maybe eight. It whirled up this interface, this tool with cost barriers, lack of knowledge, over-reliance on tech, featured rangefinder under $200, educational hubs, trusted. So it's actually pulled in Reddit feeds, comments that have been made, so the legitimate comments, active users based on um, Reddit and Facebook information, but it gives you a good groundwork to a good place to start. Plus, you know that the pain points you researched are actually being discussed. There's high volume, high interaction, and from here, I'm in the preview, but from here, you can go to publish, and Replit will take you further on in the process. Okay, I hope that was a good demo. Thank you very much.